arrived at the kindergarten and we're going to go and wire some bonsai.
They came out and watered it, and then that night it poured.
Yeah,
It's like,
it's kind
like,
of the way.
yeah.
All right, here's our secret hiding location for the bonsai to make it a huge surprise for everyone. But look there.
But like this, oh, so you didn't take it off? It was already taken off.
Yeah, I think we bought them like that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one's already, that one's already off.
Yeah, they're all clean, so
So it's only this one that still has the wire on it.
okay. That won't take long-ish, maybe an hour, half an hour. Depends how bad it is on the inside, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna wire up one as a Muse, and then we've got 3 for 4 children each. It's a class of 12, is that right? Or is there more than that in one class? I'm just wondering, like, maybe the biggest one, which is this one, which will take the most amount of wiring, whereas these 3 are closer than this in terms of how much work needs done. So I'll probably make this one the Muse tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
And I can make the black pine a Muse tree as well.
Okay.
And then the kids can work on these, and these will probably, to be honest, these will end up being like next generation's Muse trees once they're fully done by the kids and everything. And then these other trees can be like the next cohorts, like, you know, play tree.
Right.
Cool.
Sure.
Cool. So I thought I wouldn't waste any time and maybe just get into working on the trees.
For sure.
And I was going to ask you, is there some sort of like workshop or area where I can do it? Any secret location?
You know what? I have a cabin right here.
Yeah.
Right.
The Christmas cabin.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Because we've got this platform on here.
Mm-hmm.
A couple of stumps actually.
Yep.
Maybe can be.
Yep. Can be used.
Hey there, buddy. Oh, working on something? I won't look. Yeah, so I guess
This could be used.
Yeah, I guess it's semi. She uses it, I guess, still right now. So, but these aren't going to be very. 1 or 2 more of these stumps right over there. I just rolled them over there for use. Let's see, can we see them? Well, they're right behind that.
Yeah.
That little platform.
Yeah.
So we could use them that way, and put them on the stumps here.
Yeah.
And use this as like the space.
Yep. So we'll teach the class here.
Yeah. Then we can just have it all set up here and make it easy. You know?
Yeah. Then that will be super quick going between the 3 groups.
Right.
Right. I'll be just like keep going around and around.
See what they're doing.
Yeah.
Like help them out.
Yeah.
So I think that would be. We'll just move this back.
Yeah. Just
back there.
clear it out. Yeah.
And then get 4 of these stumps.
Mm-hmm.
4. We got 5 trees. But easy to
We'll
find.
work.
Something.
Yeah. We'll work something out. Yeah. That's
Easy
no big deal.
So,
Okay.
Yeah. So I would say you could set up here.
Set up here. Yeah. Well, it's sunny day. So yesterday I was freaking out because it was raining. But today I can easily work here. Just need like a stool or something, and then all those materials, and I can wire up that tree and hopefully have it done before pickup time. I mean, I will be pushing myself, but that'll be good. That'll be really.
Well, I mean, if you're not feeling 100%, don't.
That's all right. It's not physical.
Yeah, because there's nothing. Parents can't tell the difference anyway. Right. So no pressure.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Cool.
it's startup. I think the closest water is that spigot right there.
Yeah. Yep.
The wire and the soil or the, what is that called? Substrate.
Yep.
Is here, so we can bring that over here.
Yep.
And then
All right. How about we go find that.
Okay.
And then we can pile it up here. I can maybe store it in that shed,
right in here,
in the cabin, and then I can just bring a tree over and find myself like a stool or something around here. Exactly. I can just ask anyone, right?
Exactly.
And then
that's it. Oh, that's not too heavy.
It's not too bad.
The bottom's hollowed out, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
That's not bad. Cool. Cool.
All right, I'm gonna go find where the materials are and bring
Do you
them
need a
over
hand carrying everything?
here. No, it's not heavy stuff, so I can.
You can get it all. I'm going to grab the tree over.
All right.
And yeah. So we're sort of roughing it a bit. Not much of a studio. We'll make it our own. We're going to set up here for the kids. We'll have 3 trees set up, 3 white pines, and then we'll have this tree which I'm going to wire ahead of time to demonstrate what a sort of fully wide bonsai looks like. So I'm going to get stuck into this tree. You can watch along, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah. The last piece. Oh, what a journey to DIY that. All right, let's have a look at this tree and see if we can't find something inside.